Hi everyone, this is the conditional probability lesson 2. Conditional probability is a measure of the probability of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. Yeah, we have a symbol over here which means probability of B given A. And how can you find the probability of this one? Yeah, probability of A and B divided by probability of event A. And event A can be found by probability of A and B plus probability of A and not B. Okay? Let me give a very simple example. Now the left side is event A and the other side is event not A. Okay? And here we have event B. So inside of this circle is event B, and outside of this circle is the not B. Okay, and assume we have some number here. It's a 9, 4, 3, 11. Okay. Now we will try to find some probability. For example, what is the probability of A given B? According to the formula, we can rewrite this one as a probability of A and B over probability of B, right? So in this picture, what is the probability of A and B? A and B, please note that first let me count the whole number. It's a 9 plus 4 plus 3 plus 11. It's a 13 plus 14, so 27. So the probability of A and B is 4 over 27, right? And the number inside of the circle is 7, so probability of event B will be 7 over 27. Okay, so if you simplify, we can get this is the 4 over 7. Is it okay? Okay, let me try to find another conditional probability here. For example, P given A will be P and A, the probability of B and A, and probability of event A. The numerator is the same as this one, so 4 over 27 here. Now, what is the number of event A? Event A is here, right? So 13. So probability of the event A will be 13 out of 27. Again, by simple cancellation, I hope you can get 4 over 13 is here. Okay, this is the basic idea of conditional probability. Now we'll try to solve one question. In a small town, it was found that 90% of the drivers would always wear their seat belt. So is it possible to make some tree chart? So belt, how many percent? 90%, right? So 0.9, which means if you select a driver of that town, you have a 90% of a chance he or she wears the belt. Okay, so definitely no belt will be 0.1 or 10%. Good. Okay, let me continue. On 60% of occasions, if a driver was not wearing a seatbelt, they would be fined. Wow. So out of this, you will be fined with 60%. Whereas if they were wearing a seatbelt, this situation, right? Now, what is the probable percent of a fine? 20%, right? So 0.2 here. Okay. So from this tree chart, the product of these two probability is 0.9 times 0.2 will be 0.18, right? What is the meaning of that one? This is the probability of belt and fine. Good. Okay, how about the other situation? Here 0.1 times 0.6 or 0.06 is the probability of no belt and fine. Is okay? Now, question asks us, find the probability that a driver who was fined for sitting was wearing a seat belt. So to understand the situation, we need probability of seat belt given fine. Okay, so again, by definition, this will be probability of belt and fine over probability of fine. Okay, so please note that probability of belt and fine, already here you have this one, so 0.18 here, and note that the probability of fine is actually the sum of these two situations, right? So you can simply add these two things. So 0.18 plus 0.06. Okay, so this will be 18 over 24 or 3 over 4 or 0.75. Okay, okay, thank you for watching. We will see with another example next time. Okay, bye bye.